guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a hair video. I want to try to lay my edges, lay my baby hairs, and I have locks. So I want to attempt, I'm not even gonna call this a tutorial because I've done this before. Inserts picture. My grandma's phone is ringing. I'll wait for her to answer. She answered. My edges are not done. My hair isn't really done because I haven't retwisted my hair. It's been 4 months since my last retwist, so yeah, my roots are really grown out and I'm just interested in attempting to do this. I feel like over the years, like, or maybe I've just been like oblivious to this, but I really feel like styling your edges have really intensified as of lately, and I want to be a part of the game. I'm gonna attempt to do my edges and I'll show you guys how I do it. We'll see how this turns out. Right now my hair is unwashed. This is an old braid out that I did a week ago, and I've been spritzing my hair with water and moisturizing it, and it still has its curls going on, guys. It's still... I thought that this would be a great time period to attempt to do my edges since my hair has some sort of style going towards the bottom of it. Looking at my hair, I honestly don't think I have baby hair. Like, my hair just goes into my root long enough to be a part of my lock, so I just retwist it. I have done this in the past. When I did it, I had not bleached my roots in about a year, so I had a lot of new growth, so the black just looked really nice when I did it. I'm just gonna jump into it. We'll see how it turns out, and you guys can comment and give me some feedback on what I can do to improve in the future. I'm using this thing called Ebin 24-hour edge control. I got this from my beauty supply store. No one recommended it to me. I just picked it up because I needed some edge control. I specifically bought one of those brushes that are like towards the cash register section. Nothing crazy. I have some almond oil. You've seen this in my videos before. I'm using this because this is what I happen to have on hand, and you know it's quarantine times and the beauty supply stores are closed. Last but not least, I have this. Oh, this is just water. This is not rose water. Yeah. I don't have rose water. So the last time I did this, I put my hair into a ponytail and I wrapped my hair because I think it looks weird when I just have my edges laid like that and then the rest of my hair is just like not retwisted and just put into a ponytail. I don't think it'll look good. So I'm gonna wrap my hair in one of these cloths. I guess I'm gonna use the blue one. So I'm just gonna spritz my hair, you know, give it that moisture. This is what I would do if I was going out, but I'm not going out because you know you gotta stay inside. I'll take some of this almond oil. Ooh, that's a lot, that's a lot. Wow, this is a lot. Oh, actually no, it's not really a lot. This is what my hair needed. I'm just gonna pull my hair back. Ponytail complete. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna wet the perimeter of my hair. Great, so it's moisturized. I'm gonna take this part of the comb and just like try to, okay, you know what? This is stupid. I'm just gonna use my hand. So I'm just gonna pull this out because it's not in the lock anymore. My method is taking parts of my hair that have not been retwisted and I'm just pulling them out. Right, I look crazy as hell, but these are my edges. When I think of baby hairs, I think of like really small pieces of hair that aren't long enough to be like connected into your ponytails and stuff, and I guess I'm lucky because I have hair that's long enough to be a part of my locks, so I don't really need to swoop it in or whatever it's called. This is what I need. I look crazy. Okay. I can't really explain how this smells like. This smells like artificial grape candy, but I just explained what it smells like, alright? This gel reminds me of the gel that I use in terms of its consistency, but not the extra hold version, just the regular hold. So I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand here. I'm just gonna apply it. Okay. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. gosh. Well, at least I know if I wanted like fake bangs, this is what I could do. Oh my god, I look crazy. I'm gonna take this part. Okay. Oh my god. Wow, okay. I want to continue doing this. I just gotta get this part like, okay. Okay, it's looking like something, guys. Guys, it's looking like something. It's looking like something. Oh my god, okay. By the way, I did not like necessarily watch a tutorial before doing this, so before anyone comes for me in the comments, it's not like I was prepared to do this on this Sunday, this Easter Sunday. I just decided to try something out. And I also don't have a mirror right now, so I'm using my camera. I guess it should just go like this. This is dumb because this is what I would do with my hair. I would just like, you know, okay. What I learned with this side is that when I apply the gel, the hair should be like this. Whoa. I don't want this to get too hard. Oh my god. Okay, let me stop. I don't like the gap that's here. I need to look in the mirror. I need to look in the mirror. You know what? I'm gonna continue. I'm going to continue. I'm just gonna do this one like this because, yeah, I feel like. And then for this part, I guess I'll just put some more gel on it. I think that will help. Yeah, I'm just gonna put some gel here. Okay, okay. Not terrible, I think. Again, really hard to understand what the hell is going on. No mirror here. Oh, this is the right side of my head. Whew. This is a mess. This is a mess. This is a mess. This is a mess. I'm done. I cannot. So this is what I'm talking about. Like, I think it looks weird if I just like this, like what? Like, so to try to hide that, I'm going to use this cloth. I got this cloth at Brooklyn Academy of Music's Dance Africa a couple of years ago. And this was really long. I bought it and I cut it in half. And I decided that I would use this for my hair. I think this should like come down a little bit more, but not too much. I'm gonna wrap it. Woo! And then for the top, I'm just gonna tie it like this. Like, I could see myself in the camera. I won't know how bad this looks or how good this looks until I play the video. I'm gonna put some earrings on. My edges are laid. Okay, let me stop. I know that this kind of looks terrible, guys, so yeah, I'm not gonna do too much yapping about it. Oh, and then also, like, I'm noticing that I'm thinking that, oh, is this my skin exposed? But I don't think it's my skin. I think it's the color of my hair because I do have some browns, you know, red turned brown thing going on. All right, so this is the result. This was a very haphazard video. Going to get my mirror and I'm going to look at myself. Oh, it's actually not. Oh wait, no, it's really white up here. I don't like the whiteness. I have executed this before. It's this part. I don't know if my camera's gonna pick up on this part, but there's a lot of gel. It's really hard. I don't know. I feel like this is fake cute. Damn it. All right, so let's get into my thoughts on this. I have a lot of thoughts on this. One, I think it's cute, but as someone who has 4C hair, and you saw how crazy it was for me attempting to put the gel on my hair and swoop my edges, and then on top of it I have locks, I don't think that this is a style that's worth it, because when I did do this hairstyle last year and I went to work, I would have to come home and wash the gel out of my hair. I don't know if people with looser hair textures do that. I did it because I just don't like the way that my edges felt. Like, they felt really hard, and I felt worried for my hair. And I feel worried for my hair right now. So if I was to wear this like outside, go to work, blah, 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 I'd have to come back home and I would have to wash the perimeter of my hair. I'm not gonna wash the entirety of my head because I ain't got time for that. And then also it's like, you know, the type of hair texture that I have, what's wrong with me just wearing my hair back? That's just how my edges look in its natural state. So why can't I just accept the fact that this is how my hair looks and I should just leave it as is? Or why do I even have to style my edges in the first place if my hair isn't done? Like, why do I have to do that? And then, you know, I have the other thoughts where it's just like, oh, this is kind of cute, I kind of like it. But at what expense? At what cost, Jasmine? I don't like how this came out for this video because I have done this last year and it didn't look like this. Maybe one day I will tread these waters again and attempt to do this and be better at it. Let's focus on this side. I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's bad. I think it's kind of cute actually. But then, you know, there are my thoughts like, at what cost am I doing this hairstyle? Why am I doing this hairstyle? What's wrong with my edges as is? If I were to wear this head wrap and like my hair wasn't done, I just wouldn't leave my edges out. I would just bring the head wrap right here, which I have done before. I'll post a picture. So I think this is fake cute. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it, but like I've been saying, what is the cost of me to do this hairstyle? It did not take me that long to do, but I'm not good at applying the gel. I don't think I did it the correct way this time around. Oh, my edges. See, my edges are only like this right now, like not into my lock, because I have not retwisting my hair. Once I start retwisting my hair, my hair isn't going to be out like this. Like, it's going to be in the lock, and the only way for me to get my edges in this state again is if I pull it out of my lock, and it's like that defeats the purpose of me having locks. For me, this isn't something that I can always do. Maybe once in a blue moon, but yeah, definitely not an all the time thing. And then also, it's no secret that I suffer from acne, and there's a lot of edge stuff on my forehead that I would need to wipe off after. So that's something I also need to pay attention to. If you made it this far, as usual, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to try something out and actually record the process of me doing it. It was kind of a fail, but you know, you live and you learn. If I ever get better at doing this, I will definitely do a re-upload of this video and record the process of me doing it and how I conquer this hairstyle. But I don't think this is going to be a hairstyle for me. I just don't think it's for me. It's cute, but it's just not, it's not in the universe for me. It's not for me. Thanks for watching, guys. You know, I always appreciate your kind comments. I always appreciate the feedback that you guys give me. A lot of people have been talking about like ways that I could put my hair in a ponytail, either use my locks or like get a bigger scrunchie. Duh. I hope everyone is staying safe during this quarantine. Wash your hands. If you live in New York City, try to wear a mask. If you can't, try to wear some sort of cloth over your face. And of course, if you don't need to go outside, don't go outside. Stay inside. There's no reason to be out there. I know this is tough times, but I definitely think we'll get through it. A positive energy to everyone out there that's battling what they're battling. Thank you so much for watching my video. It means a lot to me, and it's the reason why I continue to push out content. Leave a comment, share your honest thoughts, give me some feedback, and as usual, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.